welcome back to another week of STEMpower at home. This month, we will be making paper hovercrafts. For this activity, you will need paper and scissors. You've probably made paper airplanes before, but have you made a paper hovercraft? Paper airplanes fly soaring through the air, but our paper hovercraft will fly just hovering above the surface of the floor or table that you're blowing it on. And as long as you continue blowing, the air current will support the paper hovercraft by carrying it under its wings. This is similar to how an airplane works and how we can have such a giant heavy metal airplane fly in the air. In this activity, you will be able to make one of your own and see it hover on your floor. First, take your piece of paper, and if it's not a square already, we're going to make it a square by folding the top corner down so that the top side matches the left side. You can see here that I folded it into a right triangle or half of a square. We're going to crease it down that fold and cut along the bottom of it so you cut a square out. We have already completed the first step you need, which is to fold your paper in half diagonally so it makes one big triangle. If you've already had a square paper, please do this now. Now that you have one big triangle, we're going to fold it in half again by touching the two bottom corners on the long side of the triangle to each other. This will make a smaller triangle, and you can see that the point is at the bottom and the opening is at the top. There should be 4 layers of paper. Next, you are going to unfold this so that the long side is facing on the bottom. Fold the bottom corner to the top corner and make sure that that side presses up against the crease we made by folding it into 2 triangles. You can see here I'm folding it so the bottom edge touches the middle line. Press along this crease and repeat on the other side. We're almost done. Now we are going to fold it so that the inner edge that's towards the middle line touches the outer edge. This will make sense once you look at it more. You can see here I'm bringing the edge to touch the outside edge, and it kind of makes a collar for our hovercraft. Repeat the process on the other side so that you have 2 wings, and you're done. Now that you have made your paper hovercraft, we're going to try flying it. I drew a little face on the bottom of mine, and you can decorate it however you'd like. Fly this by placing it like this so that the wings are on the top, and blow right on the level that it's resting and watch it glide across your table. You can see here I was blowing it and it worked great. Try making many of different sizes and different patterns of paper. I made my first one with a big piece of white paper. This was approximately 8 inches by 8 inches of a square, and I made a smaller one with this origami paper that is approximately 6 inches by 6 inches when I started. See which one flies better, and maybe one flies faster than the other or one flies farther than the other. You can play around with these by having races with your family members, and also see how far you can have your paper hovercraft travel in just one breath. I hope you enjoyed today's activity. We hope to see you next month, and in the meantime, check out our other videos. This month you can make a dancing ghost, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye!